Today we are going to discuss how we are going to calculate median through graphical representation. I told you earlier also there are three ways to calculate median through graphical representation. There are three ways: less than OZIP, more than OZIP, and both simultaneously, less than OZIP and more than OZIP. We have already discussed less than OZIP and more than OZIP. Still, if you are not able to understand how to calculate median through less than OZIP and more than OZIP, you can attend your today's session, by which way you will be able to calculate median through both the way less than OZIP and more than OZIP simultaneously, it means together. From this example, we are going to calculate how we are going to calculate median from less than OZIP and more than OZIP. First of all, the marks it is given 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. Number of students it is also given, that means F frequency it is given 7, 10, 20, 13, 17, 10, 14 and 9. First of all, we are going to convert this exclusive series, normal series into less than series and more than series. All of you know how to calculate, how to convert less than normal series into less than series. First of all, convert in less than series. Write L2 as it is. Write L2 as it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. And what you have to do, you have to write less than 5, less than 10, less than 15, less than 20, less than 25, less than 30, less than 35 and less than 40. Clear? Now, for drawing less than OZIP, you have to convert F into CF. It means cumulative frequency. First step, you have to convert exclusive series into less than series. Second step, you have to convert F into CF. It means cumulative frequency, which generally we know the name CF. First of all, write 7 as it is. Clear? 7 plus 10, 17. 17 plus 20, 37. 37 plus 13, 50. 50 plus 17, 67. 67 plus 10, that is 77. 77 plus 14, that is 80. 77 plus 14, it means 91. And 91 plus 9 equal to 100. Clear? What we have done, first of all, convert exclusive series. It means this normal series into less than series. Now, take L2 as it is. Clear? Now, write less than 5, less than 10, less than 15. In that way, next step, what you have to do, you have to convert F into CF. Take 7 as it is, 7 plus 10, 17, 17 plus 20, 37, 37 plus 13, 50, 50 plus 17, 67, in that manner. Clear? Now, next step, what you have to do, you have to convert this normal series into more than series. Why? Because we are drawing less than OZIP and more than OZIP together simultaneously. That's why you have to convert exclusive series in more than series. More than series. In that, what you have to do, you have to write L1 as it is. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and that's it. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. You have to write in more than series L1 as it is. In L2 we have written, in less than series we have written L2 as it is. In more than series you have to write L1 as it is. Now write it more than 0, more than 5, more than 10, more than 15, more than 20, more than 25, more than 30 and more than 35. Now next step, what is that? You have to convert f into CF. It means cumulative frequency. There is a different way how to convert f into CF in more than series. What you have to do, you have to write last f as it is. Clear? Last f as it is 9. 9 plus 14, 23. 23 plus 10, 33. 33 plus 17, 50. 50 plus 13, 63. 63 plus 20, 83. 83 plus 10, that is 93, and 93 plus 7, that is 100. Clear? What we have to do? We have to convert exclusive series in less than series and more than series. We have to convert f into CF. In less than series, there is a different method to calculate CF, and in more than series, that is also different, which I have taught you. Now, what you have to do next step? You have to add summation of frequency. How much you are going to get? That is 100, which is known as sigma f equal to 100. Sigma f is also known as n. Clear? Now, the next step, what we have to do? We have to find out median group. By which formula? N divided by 2. All of you know. And it is 100 divided by 2. 100 divided by 2. What is the median item? That is 50. Clear? Now we have to draw ozone on graph. I will suggest you just try to draw your diagram on graph to get exact answer. Right? First of all, write this 0, 5, 10, 0. On OX axis, we are going to take marks, and on OY axis, we are going to take frequency. Clear? Now write 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. Clear? Here we are going to take a difference of 10, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Clear? Here we have taken the gap of 10, 10. Now you have to write scale also. Scale in which you are going to write, I am going to write a scale here, but you have to write the scales on above the graph. I am not going to get a page there, that's why I am writing here the scale. OX axis, which shows marks. 1 centimeter equal to 5 marks. Clear? OY axis, what it shows? Number of students. 1 centimeter equal to 10 students. Clear? What you have to write? OX axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 marks. OY 1 centimeter equal to 10 students. Clear? Now we have to draw 5, 7. How much we have to draw? 7. 10, 17. 15, 37. 'Draw it on graph so that you will be able to get your answer exactly. 20, 50. 25, 67. 25, 60. 35, 91 and 40, 100. Clear? Now join that. You can join by scale also as per your wish, but it should be in a proper manner. Clear? This is less than or zero. Clear? Now you have to draw more than also. 0, 100. At 0, 100. 5, 93. 5, 93. 10, 83. 10, 83. 15, 63. 15, 63. Clear? 20, 50. At 20 we have to draw 50. 25, 33. 25, 33. Clear? Now next 35, 23. 35, 23. And 35, that is 9. Clear? Now you have to join this one also. Clear? Now this is more than or zero. You have to write in that manner more than or zero. Clear? Where it is touched, where it is cut to each other, that point is known as a equilibrium point. We are going to give any name to it. Suppose I have given the name E, where both the lines less than and more than or zero cut to each other. At what point they are cutting each other? At E point. Clear? That will be E point. Now what you have to do? You have to draw a line, a straight line here also and in that manner, horizontal and vertical also. Clear? You have to draw a straight line with the help of the scale here and here. Where it is going to be meet at OX axis, that will be your median. Suppose it cut at 20, 20 will be your median. So this will be your median. Now I want to give you a clue whether your diagram is correct or not. How you are going to get it? You know median group we have find that is 50. It should be 50 here. It should be meet at 50 point. Look at there. If you are going to get exact number which you have got here, that will be your correct median. Clear? Now the median will be 20. Now just try to, I will upload the questions of related topic. You try to solve it. Still if you are getting any kind of problem, just let me know. I will try to solve it. Thank you.